Hi, I'm Emily with Autobahn Collision Center. Welcome to our series where we answer common collision repair questions.
What should I say to my Mercury adjuster to make sure my repair is fully covered? The most powerful thing you can say is that you want your vehicle repaired to pre-accident condition using the appropriate parts and procedures for your vehicle's year, make, and model. Be clear that you want OEM parts considered where applicable and that you expect any safety systems to be properly recalibrated. Then let your shop do the talking. At Autobahn Collision Center, once you bring your vehicle to us as a Mercury Direct Repair facility, we take over the adjuster communication. We know what Mercury needs to see and how to present it. You don't have to negotiate with an adjuster yourself. That's our job. We're on Vose Street in North Hollywood, right around the corner from the U.S. Post Office on Laurel Canyon. Autobahn Collision Center, let us handle your Mercury adjuster.
Thanks for watching. Give us a call if you have any questions. Phone number 818-765-8777.